In this video, I will describe end of the semester Blackboard tips for students. The end of the semester is right around the corner, and it is important to take advantage of all of the Blackboard Ultra features. Check your grades throughout the semester and know your class percentage before the final exam. Click Gradebook. View the total points and percentage. Add all of the points that you obtained on all the assignments and divide by the total points. You will add the numerator divided by the denominator. The numerator here are the points that you obtained for the assignment. The denominator, those are the points that the assignment was actually worth. You are doing this so that you can ensure that Blackboard has calculated your grade properly. If a grade is missing and you know that you turned in the assignment, send your professor a message. Click Messages, click the plus sign, type the recipient's name, type a message. For example, "Good morning" or "Afternoon, Professor. Can you please tell me why I did not receive points for the assignment? The assignment was turned in before the due date." Make sure you specifically state the name of the assignment. Thank you, your name. Then you press Send. It is best not to send the professor messages after 5 p.m. Check your email for email confirmation of the uploaded assignment. You can always present the assignment confirmation to your professor if it is necessary, and the professor may allow you to obtain those points. View the Blackboard Ultra announcements and messages. Your professor may have provided vital end of the semester information, such as extra credit opportunities, a final exam study guide, or final exam tips. Click Content. In the column on the left, click Announcements, and you can view all of the announcements in the course. Click Messages to view all of the messages in the course. Check your email several days a week to ensure that you do not miss vital course information. You can also calculate the number of points that you need to obtain on the final exam to achieve your goal grade in the course. Use this formula: total course points obtained plus final exam points. That is a guess because you're not sure what you will obtain on the final exam. You're going to divide that by the total points in the course. That includes the points for all the assignments and the points for the final exam. If the final exam is worth 10 points and you obtain a 7, what you're going to do is add 7 to the total points that you've already obtained. That is 18. And then you're going to divide that by the total points of the course, 14, plus the total points for the final exam. And the final exam is worth 10 points. That is 18 divided by 24, which is 75%. So if a person received a 7 on the final exam, they would obtain a 75% in the course. Maybe you can calculate your overall grade if you obtained 100% on the final exam. Click Gradebook to view your Blackboard grades 3 to 4 days after you take the final exam. To determine your final exam grade, the total course points, and your course percentage. Overall, it is important to thoroughly view Blackboard and ensure that you have obtained all of the points for your hard work. This will ensure that you obtain your goal grade in the course.